Hey, how you doing, everyone? I'm gonna show you how to install tile and the concrete slab. This is a concrete slab. It's not pretty huge, but um, it's gonna take some time to do that. It's not pretty long, but it's like 3-4 days maybe with ground, with anything there. So I'm gonna install tile here. Before of those was like carpet tiles, something like that. So we already took it out all the glue. There was a lot of glue up there. So even there is much over here of glue, but it's ready for tile. I already lay out. That's the way it's gonna be, and this is good. All right, this is the kind of tile. It's pretty nice. Alright, I'm gonna start to do that, and then when I have like in a half, I'm gonna make another video, then you can watch it.